If you're looking for an easy breakfast casserole that is just perfect every time you make it, then you're just going to love this recipe. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to have 1 package of shredded hash browns. That's about 20 ounces, and those do need to be thawed. 1 medium onion that is chopped. 2 cups of shredded cheese. And then a pound of sausage, 8 eggs. For seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and then some Italian seasoning also. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to brown the sausage. The sausage is just looking great. In this pan, take a look at this pan. I love this. My daughter got it for me. And it's from a company called Our Place. And I will put the information for this pan in the description below. It does so many different things. And we're just about done now with the sausage. Now we're ready to start putting your breakfast casserole together. We're going to be using the hash browns, the sausage, onions, and then some cheese. Just get those hash browns all nice and even across the bottom of your casserole dish. Now we're going to add in the sausage. Spread that all nice and even also. Then we're going to put in some onions. And now we're going to go ahead and put some shredded cheese. And we're just going to spread that all across. There we go. And I promise you, you are just going to love this. This tastes so good. Now once you have all that pretty even, go ahead and just gently fold over in a few areas, just to gently mix it just a little before you put the next mixture on top of it. So now let's mix together the mixture that's going to go over the casserole. We're going to use our eggs, evaporated milk, our Italian seasoning, our salt, and our pepper. Ready to go. We're just going to whisk those around. Let's add in the evaporated milk. Let's whisk those two together, and then we're just going to add in the seasonings. And we're going to do about a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning, and then about a half a teaspoon of the salt and of the pepper. Let's add in just a little bit of salt. Some pepper. And then the Italian seasoning. I'm going to do a little bit more of that. Let's just whisk that all up and see what it looks like. I think it looks good. Now we're ready to go. Let's put this on top of the casserole. So we have our casserole, and now we have our mixture. And we're just going to go across. Just evenly cover it. This is all going to soak in, and it's going to be just wonderful. And now take that cheese that you had left from your 2 cups and just sprinkle that all across the top. And you can put a little extra cheese on also if you want to. We're all ready to go, and we're going to bake this in the oven at 350. It's going to go for about 50 to 60 minutes. It's going to bake uncovered. You can do it the night before if you want to, and then just reheat it in the morning. So here we go. Well, we are out of the oven, and this breakfast casserole just smells wonderful. And if you've enjoyed this video, please click that subscribe button so you'll know when all the new videos come out, like the one that's about to pop up on your screen right now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.